Hi guys, your Punjabi chef is back with a chatpata Indian appetizer. The name of appetizer is chatpata chicken vada. So let's start making. First, I'm going to heat the oil for frying and then I'm going to start off with the marination. For the marination, first I'm going to add ginger garlic paste. Next, I'm going to add pre-soaked chickpea lentil, chopped green chilies, chopped onion, freshly chopped coriander. And now I'm going to start adding all the masalas. First, I'm going to add garam masala, coriander powder, fennel seed powder, roasted cumin powder, black pepper powder, red chili powder and turmeric powder. And next I'm going to add roasted chickpea flour to give good binding to the vada, some salt, and also for binding I'm going to add one whole egg. With last I'm going to add breadcrumb, which will not only give binding but nice crunchiness to the vada. Now let's mix together. I've finished marinating the chicken. I'm going to let it rest for at least 20 minutes. By that time, let's start making the chutney. First add oil. Next I'm going to add coriander seeds, soaked chickpea lentil, black gram also known as urad dal, cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds. Now saute all the ingredients for at least 2 minutes. After cooking them for 2 minutes, I'm going to add chopped onion. Next I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic, sliced ginger, mix them nicely. Saute with onion for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add tomatoes, chopped green chilies, mint, coriander. Now let's start mixing up. Add cumin powder, black pepper powder, garam masala, red chili powder, salt. Now let's start mixing. I'm going to switch off the gas. I'm going to let it cool for a while and then I'm going to blend it into a nice fine chutney. Now I'm going to temper the chutney. I'm going to heat the oil. First I'm going to add mustard seeds and last curry leaves. And our tempering is now ready. I'm adding the tempering to the chutney which I made earlier. Let's start making the vada. I'm going to take the vada mixture. First add little oil in my hand. Nicely rub it. I'm going to take some vada mixture in my hand and roll it into a vada with the use of my palm. And follow the same for the others. And we are done with the last one. Now we'll start frying. and follow the same for the others. I'm done frying all the vadas. Now it's time to do the final plating. First, I'll place the vadas. To accompany it, I'm gonna put my chutney and finally garnish it with coriander. There you go guys, my chatpata chicken vada is now ready. This is my time to sign off. You guys do subscribe to us and keep watching Get Curried.